Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be doing vectors, which is the cross product of two vectors. So here we have two vectors, vectors A and B. These vectors, once we do the cross product, it will give us a vector that is perpendicular to these two vectors. So the cross product creates a new vector that is perpendicular to the vectors that we found the cross product of. So let me just set this out where I'm going to take the coefficient of A and B. So if I'm going to find A cross B, which is A multiplied by B, I have A first being laid out as a row, and then B, the coefficient of B, laid out as a second row. Then this is what I'm going to do when I'm doing the cross product. I eliminate the first column, then I multiply -3 times 2, that gives us -6. Then put a minus 3 times 4, that gives us 12. And this is the coefficient of I in the new matrix that's perpendicular. Then we have minus. Then I eliminate the second column to have 2 times 2 to give me 4, minus 4 times 1, that gives us 4. Then I eliminate the last column. Now we'll have a plus, and the values that we have will be the coefficient of k. So eliminating this last column, this is what we'll have. 2 times 3, that gives me 6, minus -3 times 1, that's -3. So now we're going to know that minus 6 minus 12, that's -18i. So minus 18 is the coefficient of I. 4 minus 4 is 0, so it's minus 0j. And this would be plus, because negative times negative is positive. So 6 plus 3 gives us 9. So in other words, our result for A cross B is minus 8i plus 9k. And this is a vector that is perpendicular to A and B. Here we have another example where we're going to find the cross product, taking the coefficient of A first, since it's A cross B, so we have the coefficient of B next. So taking the coefficients, and you go in the order in which we have it here, A, then B. Next, we're going to eliminate the first row and then multiply -2 times -3, that's +6. 4 times -5, that is a -20. And we have a minus in between. Then I have I. Then we have minus. Eliminate the second column. Then we say 1 times -3, minus 3 times -5, that's -15. Then we have j. Then we have a plus. Then eliminate the last column. So we say 1 times 4, that gives us 4, minus 3 times -2, that's -6, and that is k, the coefficient for k. So this would be plus, is 26, because 6 plus 20 is 26. This would be plus again, so I have -3 plus 15, but there's a minus outside, so we minus 12j, and then negative times negative positive, so we have 4 plus 6, and that gives us 10k. And this is the vector for the cross product of what we have above. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.